What is safe mode? Safe mode is a diagnostic mode in Windows that starts the computer with only the essential drivers and services required to run the operating system. Usually, when Windows starts, it loads many components, including device drivers, background services, and startup programs. In safe mode, Windows loads only a minimal set of drivers and services, while many non-essential components are not loaded. What is safe mode used for? Safe mode is mainly used to troubleshoot Windows issues, such as blue screen problems, driver issues, software conflicts, startup errors, display glitches. Safe mode assists in identifying the cause of the problem and allows you to uninstall faulty software. How to identify the cause using safe mode? Safe mode does not automatically tell you what caused the problem. Instead, it lets you narrow down the possible cause. If a problem occurs in Windows after installing new software, you may need to uninstall it. However, if Windows cannot start properly, you may not be able to access the desktop and uninstall the software. In such a situation, start Windows in safe mode. After booting in safe mode, check whether the problem still occurs. If Windows works properly in safe mode but encounters problems during a regular startup, the problem is likely related to something that safe mode does not load, such as a newly installed device driver, a startup program, third-party software, a background service. You can then uninstall the software or roll back the driver and restart the computer. If the problem also occurs in safe mode, the cause may be related to Windows system files, hardware, or another component that safe mode still loads. In such a situation, further troubleshooting may be required, such as system restore, Windows repair, reset this PC, or reinstalling Windows, depending on the problem. What does safe mode look like? The safe mode desktop looks similar to the regular Windows desktop, but runs with limited drivers, services, and features. You may also see safe mode displayed on the screen. In normal mode, Windows loads a wide range of components, including drivers, services, startup programs, and other system components. In safe mode, Windows starts with only the essential drivers and services needed to run the operating system. How to boot into safe mode? There are several ways to enter safe mode. The first method is through Windows Settings. Go to Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, and select Restart Now. After the computer restarts, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, followed by Startup Settings, and select Restart. You will then see several startup options. Select Enable Safe Mode with Networking, or Safe Mode with Command Prompt, depending on your requirement. The second method is useful when Windows is unable to start properly. In this situation, Windows may automatically enter the Windows recovery environment after several startup attempts. From there, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and select Restart. Finally, choose the required safe mode option from the list. Types of safe mode. 1. Safe mode loads Windows with essential drivers and services only. It is suitable for troubleshooting problems caused by software, drivers, or startup programs. 2. Safe mode with networking loads the components of safe mode plus the network drivers and services. This allows you to access network resources and internet connectivity for troubleshooting. 3. Safe mode with Command Prompt starts Windows in safe mode with Command Prompt instead of the normal Windows desktop environment. This is useful for advanced troubleshooting using command line tools. Safe mode provides a minimal environment for troubleshooting, making it easier to identify and remove the software, driver, or startup component causing the problem. Share and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.